G'day, my name's Pete and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. I have done a video on this jade tree in the past, 7 months ago. This tree is 20 years, 10 months old at the moment, and as you can see, it's definitely needing a haircut. So that's what we're giving it. And I'm going to start with this pad here. As long as I'm in line, bring that camera down a bit, and yeah, we'll just get straight into it. It's going to get hot here today. It's in the morning. I'm in the morning. It's cool at the moment, but it's going to get hot. So I just want to trim away while I can. So what I'm trying to do is have this end up higher so that when you look at the tree from the front, you can see all the growth. And because I'm having trouble with this branch being so thick and stubborn to move, I figure if I trim this high, then I'm going to have the look of like it's got a, you can see it more from this end. So that's my plan. It's just to trim this high. And work my way to lower at this end. I've got wire on this these branches here, and it's cutting in. So I've got to cut that wire off, but I'm going to trim it first before I go cutting it. Let's give the thing a whole trim down before I bother. Right, so now this part here, which I'll see if is in shot, yeah, this was the part I was going to gin, but as you can see, there's always going to be growth coming up on it. It will always have growth coming out from it. It's not going to stop. But now that I've got this growth coming out the end of it here, I can sort of train it into a little branch anyway. So that's what I'm thinking of doing. I'm just going to train this into just a little branch on its own, connected to that. As you can see, it's got we cut it on an angle so it looks like it's tapered up, and as this grows it will thicken out. It will look good, I think, in the end. It's just now a matter of deciding what branch I'm going to keep and what I'm getting rid of, because I can't have everything growing from the one spot. And I believe that one is probably the best to keep growing outwards, and the rest will have to go. That one will just shrink for now. And I'll put a lead sinker on that. And then we'll see how that looks after a little while. I'll just put that sinker on there. Okay, so I'm not going to touch that anymore, so that's okay. We'll look at this branch next. Oh, actually, you know what I will do? I'll take the wire off of this before I go on. Oh, that really did cut in. That cut in heaps there. I knew it was. I mean, it's been 7 months. It's a fairly long time. Definitely glad I haven't left it any longer. So yeah, that was really cutting in. I might even show you just how much it was cutting in. As you can see here, it was truly cutting into the bark over there as well. You can see it here, cutting in. We don't want that. All right, so I've trimmed most of this tree now. I mean, there are always bits that you miss, which I'll trim as I, see them like that. Whenever I do, especially when I'm watering, I'll just trim it. But I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.